Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the Chromebook and your GIF asset. Update Chrome OS, then pick a short loop or convert to MP4 if GIF lag. Smaller files play smoother. Once done, install an approved wallpaper app from the Play Store or enable the experimental DevTools method if you prefer manual control. Make sure to allow app permissions for storage or media. You're now ready to import the animation. Proceed only after verifying playback works in the Files app. You'll import and apply the animation next. Open the Wallpaper app or the Files app and locate the GIF or MP4. Then use the app set as wallpaper function. If using DevTools, apply the small CSS animation or video element overlay to the background. This gives precise control. After applying, adjust loop behavior, scaling options, and any performance throttles to prevent battery drain. Remember to test on both the shelf and lock screen if the app you finish by validating and troubleshooting. Observe CPU, battery, and smoothness for a few minutes. If playback stutters, convert the GIF to MP4 and lower resolution to reduce load. Once done, pin the wallpaper or save settings. Make sure it persists after reboot. If the animation won't apply, clear app data and reinstall the wallpaper app or revert the DevTools changes. A key tip: if things go wrong, replace the file with a smaller version before deeper system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.